Welcome to Sharmin's Art Forum. I'm Sharmin. Today I'm going to share you how to make a teddy bear keychain. It's a very easy and simple way to make a cute little teddy bear. You can make it yourself easily anytime, so don't forget to watch full video. If you like my video, please subscribe to get more beautiful tutorials like this. Thanks to all beautiful peoples who already subscribed my channel. Hey beautiful people, if you new here, please subscribe my channel. Dear viewers, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up and let me know in comment below. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Consider subscribe to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get instant updates.